How's it going, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, we'll be talking about the Luminar Neo affiliate program and why you guys would want to do it in the first place. So without further ado, let's begin. So there are a couple of benefits as you can get from the Luminar affiliate program, and to talk about to show you guys what I mean, let's actually go to their webpage here. So why are Luminar affiliates in love with the product? So right off the bat, some of the key features is that Luminar offers AI innovations. So basically, utilizing the power of AI to edit photos and basically let the program do its magic without the extra work. So this saves up on a lot of time and might be a reason why you guys would want to be an affiliate for Skylum Luminar. So AI innovations, Luminar AI and Luminar Neo inspire creativity and save countless hours of manual photo editing. So to show you guys what I mean, if you click on an asset or import a photo that you want to edit, and click on edit here, you'll see right off the bat that some of the features here for editing and retouching have an AI watermark or logo right next to them, as you can see here. So this saves up on time as you basically let the program do the editing for you. So this way, it's less time spent on editing and means for more productivity. So that's just one of the examples. And another cool thing is that the Luminar Fit Skylum software works with Mac OS and Windows. So it has some flexibility when working with different operating systems. So you guys can use the software if you own both a, let's say, a MacBook and a desktop computer, or a Windows computer, I should say. Also, it's a no subscription based deal, so Skylum apps are affordable and appealing to professional and enthusiast photographers across the globe. Now, what are the affiliate partner goals? So, if you become a Luminar affiliate, you get to write for the Skylum blog, post an article about Luminar Neo, or concentrate on specific useful tools. You also get to film a YouTube review, make an entertaining video. These are just some examples. Make entertaining videos explaining the features of Luminar Neo and how to use them. So it pretty much gets you that needed exposure for your channel and whatnot. And you get to engage in Skylum life. So join the Skylum Facebook community and provide valuable information to a customer. So yeah, that's some of the main reasons why you guys might want to become an affiliate. So hopefully this video helped you guys out, and if it did, be sure to let us know down in the comment section below. And if you guys want to see more videos like these, we do have a YouTube channel where we do guides like these daily, so if you want to show your support that, you can do so by subscribing to the channel. So with all of that said, thank you all for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.